Many people ask me advice about children. What should we do in order to do this? What should we do in order to do this? I had a question that somebody asked me recently. What should we do in order to influence our child or children to use electronics less? Not be so addicted to their phone, not be so addicted to all this other stuff. What's the answer? Answer is, what do you do? If you're addicted to it in front of them, they'll be addicted to it in front of you. If you're not addicted to it, they're not going to be addicted to it. Meaning that if you're able to put your phone down and not even think about it during the times that you're not supposed to, for example, the times where you're having a discussion, the times that you're having dinner as a family, the times that it's a holiday or Shabbat, and you're not even thinking about the phone, you're not even thinking about the electronics, all you're thinking about is Hashem and the family and what's in front of you. Excuse me. Guess what? If you're thinking about all of the appropriate things, then what you're thinking about will come to life and they'll have fun watching that life come together and they'll want it. But if the whole time that you're supposed to be celebrating Shabbat, you talk about work, and you keep mentioning to everybody, listen, I can't wait for Motzei Shabbat, I got to answer a few emails, I got so much work to do. Then in reality, whether you have the phone in your hand or not, or the computer is on or not, is irrelevant. Why? Because you're talking about it, you're living it, and that's when your kid is saying, oh, Abba's not even with us. Ima's not even with us. She can't wait to go on Facebook to check who put their dinner on Facebook.